As of 2025, iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max don't natively support SD cards. Transferring data requires a USB-C SD card reader. Connect the reader to your iPhone's USB-C port. Open the Files app, locate the files you want to transfer, such as photos, videos, or documents, and copy them to the SD card. Note that you cannot transfer app caches or full system backups this way. This method is viable for media files, but not a primary workflow. Ensure your SD card is formatted in FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility. Be aware, transfers are limited to exported files and can be subject to data corruption or errors, so verify data hashes. iOS limitations make SD card transfers challenging. Let's explore the restrictions and better alternatives. iOS uses a sandboxed file system, restricting direct external storage access. Trends favor cloud storage over SD cards, with iCloud and Google Drive being preferred options. Direct drag and drop functionality isn't available, like on Android. SD card usage among iPhone users is declining. Consider wireless transfers or USB-C hubs with multi-card readers as alternatives. Understand iOS's access restrictions. Data must be exported via apps or the Files app before transfer. This process is a power user feature rather than a core function of the iPhone. Be aware that post-transfer, iOS's lack of direct folder mirroring may require renaming files.